Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to a new week. As usual, we'll see what we can scrape out of the market today without incurring any damage. Okay. Um, Today, based on the fundamental angle, we'll be having the gross domestic product um, report, which gives a measure of the health of an economy. Okay, it tells us how well the economic aspect of any country is doing. Okay, if it is greater than the forecast, that means it's good. If it is less than, then it's bad. With that being said, what I'm looking at right now is to see if we can get a bullish breach. Let's say price breaks, takes out this level. Okay, come for retest, then we anticipate further bullish momentum. This is what I'm looking at. For the sell side, nothing for sales yet. I'm anticipating a little to scrape a little out of the market if price comes below this zone. Okay, trying to scrape, I will look to scrape a little out of the market if price comes below this zone. But at the moment, if I want to scrape something out of this, that means the TP has to be somewhere as low as here, which looks very far-fetched. So I'm just going to chill. Let's let the market give a bullish momentum, breaching this bullishly, or in simpler terms, taking these guys out, because this there is let me use a simpler term. There are a group of sellers waiting to sell around here, which if you look closely, look how price is reacting from here. This is also known as resistance. But this zone is referred to as what? The supply zone. Okay, all these zones refer to as supply zone. So if price does not react out of here to retest this low, okay, if price does not react out of there to retest this low, the next thing I'm looking at is for price to do what? Bullishly breach this resistance and will continue going upwards. That is what I'm looking at on British pound, Japanese yen, and let's see how price will do. The GDP report will be released at 2 a.m. This is Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so you can convert it to your local time. With that being said, let's see what gold has for us. However, don't forget, do well to subscribe, hit that notification button, comment, and what? Like. Subscribe, hit that notification button, comment, and like. Okay, now let's look at the next guy. For gold is performing very beautifully in the sense whereby it has been in this range playing some serious ping pong. Okay, but it failed to drop low, and as usual, it did what? Made a new high. So there is an order block here or demand zone, which if price breaches this, I'll be anticipating price to continue down. However, technically, we can also look for sells because there is a clean traffic to the left here in the sense whereby and once price breaks above this zone, we anticipate a bullish pump. Once price breaks into this zone, we anticipate a bearish dump. In the sense, let me put in simpler terms. Whenever price gives a bullish candle breakout, we're anticipating the next candle to do what? Go up. Whenever price gives a bearish candle break in, we are anticipating what? Price to do what? Drop. Like to mirror the traffic that went up. Like in this case now, I'm anticipating this bearish candle to mirror this traffic that went up. Okay. So this is what I'm looking at on gold. Unlike GJ, gold is a little tradable because price however price is in a very sweet spot, but the sweet spot here is what I refer to as a money spot, because where the big boys are looking to buy, new money, which is the 1 hour, looking to what? Sell. So the daily, we're in seller's territory. On the 4 hours, we're in buyer's territory. On the 1 hour, we're in seller's territory. So if we can take out this zone, if we can take out this zone, then I'll be anticipating price to do what? Continue dipping. So this is one thing I'm looking at. Immediately take out this zone, anticipate price to continue what? Dipping. It's very simple. Okay. Another way you can look at it is to say there is a support here, which as you can see, price has retested this support. So if we get a bearish candle close below this support, perhaps something like this with some retracement, and be anticipating what? Further dipping. This is what I'm looking at on gold. Okay. Well, let's come to the crypto guy. For the crypto guy, this was unprecedented, but that's the beauty of crypto. Since it's highly speculative and highly volatile, you can't just say shit about it. Okay. What I'm trying to say is that price has tapped the daily support. Price tapped the daily support, and what happened next? After tapping it, it just gave this volcanic eruption. Okay. So with that being said, Bitcoin now is clearly looking to go bullish. Okay. Um, let's not rush into trying to take buys. Okay. But Bitcoin is clearly bullish. What I'm seeing here on Bitcoin is very sweet in the sense that the daily are looking to go up, buys, the 4 hours are looking to go up, the 1 hour looking to go up. This is too much confluence, which means that the tendency for price to go up is higher than the tendency for price to come down. However, don't forget that Bitcoin is a very highly speculative instrument. So um, let's see what price will do, because I can see a very good strong rejection where price rejected around here. So let's see what price will do. Okay. At the time being, I like how price has printed like this. So let's see if we're going to continue this bullish momentum or not. So this at this particular stage now where we are, this is where I'm looking at. If price comes to this point, we'll be looking at taking further buys. I just put this zone here to help for confluence. If not, this zone is not very strong. If price breaches here bearishly, there is a tendency that it will keep dipping to retest this point here. But let's see how price behaves. Okay, do well to subscribe. Okay, please do well to subscribe. Hit that notification button. Okay, do well to subscribe. Hit that notification button, comment and like. That is all for now. Baraka Bashad, peace.